So in this video, now we're going to learn how to arrange that list element. Okay, so now I will move to Air Visual Studio. So now we have now that A, B, G, D, E, F, and again A and C. So now we wanted to arrange that so that A will come, G will come at last, C will come at the before, D after B. So now there is one function called L dot sort. Okay, and then after this we'll try to print L. So now let's go and run this one. So now you can see, let me clear this out one more time. Okay, I need to close this one. Yeah, so now you can see we are getting A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So suppose if I will go ahead and put it here at the end one more time. Suppose I will here I will put that B, and what I will do here I will put that something like R, and then if I go ahead and run it, you can see now B came from here on the third position after double A. B, C, D, E, F, and R went at the last position. So in this way we can arrange that number whatever given in that list. I hope you like this video. Thank you.